Hi everyone, today we're going to make some salt dough picture frames and I'm going to show you how to make them now. Hope you enjoy it. To make our salt dough recipe you will need 2 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of salt and 1 cup of water, which you're going to add gradually. And if you want to colour your salt dough you'll also need some paint or food colouring. So in the bowl we're going to mix our dry ingredients. We're going to put in our 2 cups of flour, so 1 cup's already in the bowl. Now we're going to put in our 2nd cup of flour. In it goes. And then we're going to measure out 1 cup of salt. So measure out 1 cup of salt in there. Then we're going to tip our salt into the bowl. Now we're going to give it a good mix. Once it's all mixed, we're then going to start adding the water a little bit at a time until you've got the right consistency. So it feels like it turns into dough, and I'll show you how to do that now. Now we're going to add a little bit of water at a time to our dry mixture. That's it, just a little bit. Stop. Okay, good to go. So now we've added some water to our dry mixture. We're just going to keep mixing it. Keep mixing it. That's it. We probably need a little bit more water. Not all of it, just a little bit, okay? Stop. Good to go, that's it. And keep mixing it. Okay, so you might find it easier mixing your colouring in a bowl because it does get quite messy. When you're ready and you're happy with the colour, put some flour down on your surface so that the dough doesn't stick, and then you're ready to roll it. And what we're going to do is we're going to roll it into a rectangle shape because we're going to turn this into our frame. So we need either a rectangle or a square shape. Once you've cut out a square or a rectangle, you're going to cut out your shape on the inside. You can choose whatever shape you like. You can maybe do a square. If you've got any cutters at home, cookie cutters, you could use those, or you could cut round something. Just be careful if you're using anything sharp that you ask an adult to help you. So we've just finished decorating the frame. We've used cookie cutters to just gently press into the frame, not all the way down. We don't want to make any holes because we've got a hole in the middle. So you just gently press around the edge of your frame, and now we're going to make some holes so that we can hang it up. Okay, so just with a pencil, that's it. Just make sure it goes through. You might need to lift it to make sure it's all gone through. And then once it's dry, we're going to put some string through the holes and tie a knot so we can hang it up. Once your frame is finally dry, either in the oven, you'll need to ask an adult to help you with that, or if you leave it to dry just on the side in a sunny spot. Once it's completely dry, then you can attach some string or ribbon, tie it in a nice bow so that you can then hang it up, and you can then get a photo and stick it on the back using some glue or sticky tape, and then you've got a nice photo there, and you can give that as a gift. You could even give it as a gift on Father's Day to your daddy or for a present for somebody. Hope you enjoyed it. I'd love to see some of your lovely creations. See you soon.